What's up guys, Hang Out with the Fourth here, back with another video, and welcome to the announcement of the winners of the RTX 3000 series MSRP Sellaway. I'm extremely excited to show you all who won, and I already have recorded myself pulling their names with the name picker. But before I announce the winners though, I want to say thank you to every single person who participated. I know a lot of people in the comments and the replies on Instagram and YouTube, they were thanking me, but honestly it's a pleasure and I am grateful to be in the position to be able to set up something like this. Honestly, with this Sellaway, I break even on costs, and depending on how much the shipping is, I might actually lose a couple of dollars, but it's all for the community and I'm proud to provide you guys with this opportunity. But with that being said, let's get into the winners of the Sellaway. So I want to say we had a lot of RTX 3080 and 3070 entries. There's a good bit of 3060 Ti's too, only 3 3090 entries. So if I do a future Sellaway, I'll definitely be sure to get 3080, 3070, and 3060 Ti. But let's get into the winners. So the winner of the Founders Edition RTX 3060 Ti is New Days Reborn. Congratulations to you. New Days Reborn is the winner of the 3060 Ti. The winner of the Founders Edition RTX 3070 is Larry_Great_Right. I hope I pronounced that right. Congratulations to you. You won the RTX 3070. The winner of the Founders Edition RTX 3090 is Albert King 0526. Shout out to you. You were one of the 3 people who entered to try to get a 3090. So you definitely had a really good chance. Congratulations to you. And finally, the winner of the coveted Founders Edition RTX 3080 is Meow Rock. Shout out to you. I specifically am laughing at him because, or him or her, because they spammed my comments like 3 times saying I want a 3080, I want a 3080, and I didn't put their name in multiple times. I did it pretty evenly. I have recorded footage of me showing all the names, but I know they're gonna be happy because they spammed my comments. So congratulations to you, Meow. You won the RTX 3080. And congratulations to everybody. Congratulations to all the winners of each card. I hope you guys enjoy them when I send them to you. I'll message each of you guys, each of the winners, to set up shipping and payment. And once again, thanks to everybody who participated. If it is possible, like I mentioned before, I will see if I can set up another Sellaway with those 3 main cards, the 3060 Ti, 3070, and 3080, maybe even a 3060 if it comes out by then. And I'll see if I can give you guys another chance at snagging one. But hopefully, above all, the stock situation improves so everybody can just get one. It would kind of, dead the whole thing. It would definitely help everybody in the community be able to get one. And as always, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notifications for more PC related content, guides, and tutorials. And that's all from me. Congratulations to the winners once again, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day or evening whenever you're watching this video, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.